Okay, gonna try to do this. All right, never done this before, so we'll see how this turns out. I think I saw them remove this case first, so we'll use the provided screwdriver. Hopefully this is the right one and doesn't strip it. And I wonder if, do I keep these screws or do I switch it to the ones right here, the black ones? But they are flatheads. They're not Phillips like the ones on here, so I'm not entirely sure. Maybe I might have to use those. It's just fine. I mean, it's what they give me to use, and I'll use it. I have to pause this in between recordings because I'm not sure if I have that much space to record on this. Hopefully I do. Basically, I'm going to remove these screws first. Keep them together. Yes, I'm just doing this on my bed because let's see here. I think you just pull this up over, right? It's this soft piece of resin. Let's see. Okay, just like that. There you go. And then I shall remove these with this spring bar tool. If you hear something in the background, I'm just playing my YouTube. Random Rob. He's a big G Shock Square fan. He does his Monday live shows, and it is Monday. Okay, there we go. Try to keep that together. I believe. How did he do this? I think I was watching Jody from Just One More Watch do this. So I think I'm going to need just two of these. We have a spare. And they go into here like so. And you're going to need a tool to get in here because it's just going to be too shallow for fingers to get in there to hit that quick release. That's fine. So I'm going to attach this to, I think I saw them attach it to the watch head first, and then they put the case over it. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm running out of time already. So let me see what I can do here. All right. That's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just going to attach this, and then I'll see if I can show you me attaching this on. All right. Okay. I had to delete some files because I couldn't fit everything, and I just want to get this all in. Anyways, I got the bracelet on, obviously, spring bars. Put that on first, and I will size this later. They have spring bars in here. So basically, you just take a spring bar tool, and push it through, and it will just pop out, kind of like what you might do with like a bracelet with the drill through lug holes. And so it shouldn't be that hard. There's some videos on how to size these bracelets, but you push one through, you kind of fidget it so that it doesn't slip back into the hole, and then you work the other side, and then you pull it apart, pretty much like how you might do a bracelet. And these screws I use, they're the flatheads, or this is a regular screwdriver style. It's black, so it's dark, so it matches the case, doesn't stick out. I don't know if I suppose I could probably use the original ones, but I kind of wanted to keep it cleaner. At least it doesn't stick out as much, just how the buttons show up. And there's still obviously access to the buttons and everything. So no problem there. These screws were seemingly tricky to put in at first because they don't just go in straight. As you're taking off the old ones, and if you look at the holes on the actual I guess a module, you'll notice that they go in at a slight angle. So if you have trouble trying to screw them in, make sure they're not trying to screw them in straight. They kind of have to go in at a slight angle, and you'll find that right spot, because it won't keep spinning. You'll eventually catch on, start to give some resistance, and it'll go through. And there you go. This is how it looks like on my Adrenaline Red. So I gotta cut this short. I will try to piece together this video and just upload it so you can just check it out. And I'll do another video once it's all done, well, sized and on wrists. So look out for that. Thanks. Bye.